gentlemen, welcome to Miami International Airport. You have thus request to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign has been extinguished. This will be your indication that it's safe to stand and collect your personal belongings. Be careful as you open the overhead bins. Items may have shifted during flight. Those passengers need ground transportation baggage claim or connecting flight information. There'll be a passenger service agent leading the flight to assist you. It's now permissible for you to use cellular phones, have a laptop, computers, must remain in the opposition until you're inside the terminal building. On behalf of Delta Airlines and the entire crew, we thank you for choosing Delta this afternoon. We hope to see you again soon on a Delta flight. Don't forget your plans call for air travel in the future. You can visit us at delta.com. I'd like to welcome back all frequent flyers, special premium flyers, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond medallion members. We really appreciate your business and your loyalty. Approximate local time is 2:10. Welcome to Miami.